The Nova S520 thickness planer, SCM's no-nonsense, no-frills industrial workhorse. Here you can see the intense componentry and massive cutterhead, Tersa in this case. The Tersa system offers versatility, the quickest knife change, and the best finish of any other system out there. The S520 is also available with our Xylent head, our advanced spiral head system best suited to production environments. You can see from this demonstration just how fast it is to change knives with the Tersa head. And you do not have to set a knife. For table height settings, you have two modes. Bump mode, which allows you to dial in the exact thickness you are looking for, and speed mode, which gets the table near to where you want to be very quickly. It's a 4-speed planer, allowing you to be very selective when it comes to buzzing through a pile of lumber, and then being able to slow it down for your final passes to achieve the best finish. Look at that finish, even around knots. Here you see two boards with slightly different thicknesses to start. One of the advantages we offer in this planer is the segmented infeed roller, which allows you to run these boards at the same time. This gets you a uniform thickness in a stack of boards much more quickly. The SCM Nova S520 thickness planer, designed to meet the needs of the most demanding situations the lumberyard can throw at it.